Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like your focus is slipping away, like sand through your fingers? You're not alone. In a world filled with distractions, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters. But today, I'm going to share with you powerful strategies to fix your focus right now. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Imagine this. You wake up energized and ready to tackle your goals, but instead, you find yourself scrolling through social media for hours. Sound familiar? Don't worry, we've all been there. But what if I told you that your dream life is just a shift in focus away? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to reclaim your attention and design the life you desire. Think about it. What pulls you away from your goals? Is it your phone, Netflix, or maybe that endless stream of TikTok videos? It's time to confront the culprit. Grab a pen and paper and write down everything that distracts you. Knowing your enemies is the first step in defeating them. And here's a little humor for you. If procrastination were an Olympic sport, I'd be a gold medalist. But seriously, once you have that list, you can create a game plan. Without clear goals, your focus is like a ship without a compass, drifting aimlessly in the ocean. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve in the next month, year, or even 5 years? Make those goals specific, measurable, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to be fit, try, I will work out 3 times a week for 30 minutes. This clarity will sharpen your focus and ignite your motivation. Did you know that your surroundings can either propel you forward or hold you back? A cluttered desk can lead to a cluttered mind. So take a moment to declutter your workspace. Remove anything that doesn't inspire you or help you focus. And here's a thought. If your desk could talk, would it say, help? Your environment should be a sanctuary for productivity, not a battleground of distraction. This technique is simple yet effective. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. It's a game changer. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in those focus bursts. But let's be real for a second. If I had $1 for every time I said, just 5 more minutes of scrolling, I'd be on a beach right now. So use a timer and hold yourself accountable. In our fast-paced world, mindfulness can feel like a luxury, but it's essential for focus. Just 5 minutes of meditation a day can clear your mind and enhance your focus. Try this. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let everything else fade away. It's amazing how this simple practice can shift your perspective and bring you back to what truly matters. A consistent routine is like a roadmap to success. Set aside specific times for work, study, and relaxation. When you establish a routine, your brain knows what to expect, making it easier to focus. But here's the catch. If you don't take action now, nothing will change. Ask yourself, what's holding me back from creating this routine? Don't let fear or uncertainty dictate your life. So, there you have it. 6 powerful strategies to fix your focus right now. Remember, the path to a wealthy lifestyle starts with clarity and intention. But before you go, I have a challenge for you. Pick one strategy from today's video and implement it immediately. Don't wait. The longer you procrastinate, the further you drift from your dreams.